Yeah, sure, Bafethu. Welcome to a new podcast, episode 2, Etiskila Sekasi. I'm your boy, Utuka, Utemete, Utemti, Ututumaitai. We're having a guest, Namhlanje, abamthanda abathutulane, Tuske wa Rosane, abanye abathi mastermind, umuntu ophakamisa ilokishi, umuntu othanda ukuphakamisa ikasi. So we can stay to is 2 for episode 8 is 2. So Qeqeshi ngazi introduce.
Awe Duka. Ngithuka wona. Ngithe ucoach Thulane lo abangaziyo bangibiza ngoTuske all the way from Polar Park. I think ababhaya bangazela lapho yabo. But yeah, umjito ku Eastern Cape. So but ke indaba ze disc lezi sihlangane ngazo today kakhulu ngisithole like asi since ke ngifike ngisaseyintwana angaziphusha ke la. Sure
Shothi ke mqeqeshi since uye ushuthi umjito wa Eastern Cape into ezibhaya zebhola uziphushela ikasi. So we like to know uthini usukela va Eastern Cape uqale kuphi ibhola because of your reach with football career kudlalile when into ezibhaya and waba ucoach futhi wawina into ezibhaya.
Yeah Duka i-disc ngibuya nalo fair yacava masithina amajita i-disc akusinto oyithola esikolweni into nje oyithola ikasi nje nokuvuka nami nozidlalela i-disc. So nami angidifari to any boy waselokishini emakhaya. I think that's the one thing sikhula sizidlalela yona saseyintwana nabantu namajita ase next door nowakuphi sizidlalela nje ngebhola leplastic. I think nakimi icale kanjalo njenga like anybody else wasemakhaya. So I think uthando lwe-disc ulicale khona uyangithola. Then ke obvious mina ngaba ne-opportunity ukuthi ezingikhula ithi ngize eJozi mangifika eJozi ulazenzakala khona izinto angisadlali ngebhola leplastic uyangithola sengiyakhona ukuthola i-chance ukuthi ngadlala ngigcoka ama-cox while emakhaya udlala ngamanyawo. But the nice thing about mina ke nge-disc ukuthi at the time sidlala ngenyawo sidlala ibhola leplastic ngangi-enjoy that experience uyangi-understand. So iyakhona ukuthi ingisize mase ngifike elokishini ngidlala ngama-cox ukuthi lento leseyikuphi manje sesenhliziyweni angisadlali nje voice yake ukuyidlala sengiye-enjoy uyangithola. Basically ke iqale lapha indaba yami ne-disc emakhaya sidlala ngeplastic la saphuma kwe-plastic kwakunamanye ama-plastic balls siwabiza ngepoma uyangithola. From after ipoma kwakune-champion before sidlala the real bola le manje seyikhona uyangithola. So thina sikhule kanjalo then ke kula ngalicala khona nasesigele emakhaya sidlala yazi masesikolweni kunama-season kunesizini yokugijima kunesizini ye-disc. So makufika le season ye-disc sonke emakhaya sifuna lapha ezamajita sifuna ukudlala even though bebakhona abagijima but I think i-majority beyimela lesi sikhathi se-disc and for that matter emakhaya makudlula i-period ye-disc amajita abhayi bewasiyekela isigele. But ke thina besiyilezi besichubeka uyazi family ethanda ukuthi isigela the most important thing even kwalelo bhola abanandaba na. So zalishaya ke lapha emakhaya i-disc kwaba grand science ubuhlobo namajita ababhaya via i-disc uyangithola. Sharp mina ke ngamuva ngaze eJozi eJozi ke kula ngafika ngabona khona ukuthi la yazini the-advance let me say because mase kunabo coach la emakhaya sizidlalela nje without coach singajimi as much as la eGoli uyangithola. So la eJozi safike sizidlalela i-disc ngalithanda more because of manje sekunama-cox sekunama-grounder sharp sekunabo coach uyangithola up until ke like they always say the rest is history.
So mawufika la lokishini bona ngaphi na mawufika la lokishini because of I believe ukuthi elokishini ebufile let's say 13 years then going forward wafunda kuphi waya
yazi kambani lapha mina ngivalele ngayi ngihlala itime lambe lihlala ehostel uyangithola. So besihlala la eKhumalo ngaseButhelezi so ngivelele la eJozi just that ke abazali umama bekahlala emakhaya. So njengoba ngivelela ngayi maybe ngidlale boma 1 or 2 years somewhere la ngisazentwana ngabuyela emakhaya ngaqala khona isigele uyangithola. Then after mase ngiqala isigele besilonge ngenza ama-up and down inyana sometimes ukuthi 2 years emakhaya 2 years ngayi uyangithola. So but i-primary yami eningi ifunde emakhaya uyangithola. So like eGoli full time ngibuya manje mase ngishaya high school
which is ufunda eHlebuzi
uyangithola. So lapho ke hayi high school nalapho high school it was not too much of a disc ngalesa sikhathi lesiya. I think nami by that time bekusasena nomqondo okusaba ukuthi ngibuye emakhaya noma likhona i-disc ngisafila ngathi angeke ngifit
awukabi confident enough
i-confidence yakhula kakhulu ngokuthi ngijoin i-team elokishini ngadevelop understand ukuthi manje la elokishini izinto zenzakala kanjani uyangithola but vice ke la it was not too much of i-disc but ngafunda eBuhlebuzile high school yami then primary emakhaya.
So mabuya la elokishini club yakho yokuqala oyelo wayidlalela la elokishini in which wathola ucoach wakufundisa ezinye izinto obviously elokishini emakhaya bezidlala nje small sided football sizikhabela ukorile ngogoalkeeper sinini so wena mawufika la wadlalela iphi club?
Mangifika ngayijozi if ngikhumbula kahle ngathola ama ground because ngafika uMadala mzika ngasehlali ehostel seka move lethu ePola Park yangithola mangifika ePola Park alright now ama ground okay wathi ngishaya around ema groundini ngesikhathi after school ngizothola abantu obvious bajimi amajita mangifika la ngiyabona ama team abhaya manje it's different from emakhaya makune ground eli1 i-team i1 like ePola Park if bekusemakhaya i-team yakho bezwe yi1 so like all manje it's different ground eli1 jima ama team boma4 and ama ground ayi2 so kusho ukuthi about 8 teams ekhona la so manje challenge ukuthi ngiround around ngibona ukuthi ngafitha kuphi ngizomama manje ngibabheke ukuthi mabadlala yibaphi i-standard ngifuna i-standard esoba grand since ngifika so ngaround around ngifirst day yami ngifika ngathola ezinye yazizwa izikhuluma isiXhosa lezo ezasekhaya ngizokhona uku-understand athi ngibhekelele zona alright lucky enough kunomjita naye engimthola bhekelele lapho kanti uyazifikela naye fana na ufuna uzobhekelela ibhola ufuna uzojima asajuthana ukuthi akusasa siyajima kulezi which is it was the Mighty Blues if ngikhumbula kahle
coach
angisakhumbuli ukuthi was the coach because remember ngangabazi nokubazi laba so mangifika na iMighty Blues ngibona zinamakhulu zinamabibs uyangithola kuno coach la okay sakhuluma nomjito ukuthi okay so jima la okay first day ayenzakala ngakusasa sazwakala ejimeni lamajita ngathina ayasinyatha ukuthi lezi yafika azange ngithole iba grand welcoming so I think ngajima not even a week ngayekela out azange sabuza untwana lo ngangiyenayo ngamshiya kanjalo I think naye wayekela I think yena last for one day so after that ngabuya ngacheck enye team same ground abona ukuthi okay lezi standard silower than Mighty Blues so I think ngizothola chance ukuze express ngaya ngajima la usikhulu wakhona ngokumunye uMadala akasekho manje may his soul rest in peace uMadala uMapopota so lo Madala yena zanga benenkinga ongasuma ucoach as such uMadala nje set up izinto ukuthi hayi uzanjimani shaya nama round gijimani la in yangithola so kwaba grinder but I believe I remember lapha uMadala ngajima ngathola first game yami the first game was not bad I was happy in the first game but I felt ukuthi uMadala expected a lot so that's when now I'm about exposed with coaching I felt that there was no coaching there angeke improve because mina ngibuye emakhaya I needed some polishing so which is lapha ngabona ukuthi ngeke ngiyithola I think after that game ngadlala wangisubstitute I think wangisubstitute very early first half
into zakho vele ngithi nawe yontsuyembu ngalezi
yeah but manje as a player I know how it feels and manje game it was not really a matter of ukuthi ngikhishwa kwi first half but I could see ukuthi mangikhishwa kaso ngifila ukuthi akuna coaching engiyitholile uyangithola so ngibona ngathi improvement ngeke bekhona ukukhishwa was not an issue but the issue was like improvement I was hungry for ukuthi ngithole coaching to be honest I saw myself as ngiba big in football mina nje from the first day sidlala emakhaya the dream was one I wanted to play professional football that was it yebo luckily ubuyisele emuva kancane luckily one of my friends sikhule adlalela iMthatha Bushbucks
okay
so he was in a professional setup so now githi newayimdala kancane so githi yena waye more like inspiration uyangithola so mina mangithola chance ukuze goal at the back of my mind I wanted to make it to professional football that was it so now mangithola this thing we Golden City ika baba mapopota ngibona ukuthi coaching is not what I expected. That was one thing enze ukuthi ngiquit. Okay sharp ngaquita lapho. To fast forward the story, ngajoin i-team extension 2 babeyibiza nge-Bluebirds. Yeah, ngithola Samuel lapha ngaseThabo Ntsapho ucoach wakho. Wahlala Samuel ngala. So ngamjoina lo coach lo. No. I'm making a mistake. It was not the Bluebirds. Omunye umadala wabethu uta Ace. Now
uta Ace.
Ngajoina uta Ace. Yeah. Mangifika kumadala ngiyethanda ibhola lo.
Yo ke yonke.
Hey, obeliever kimi lo madala. Mangifika egroundini sasijimela kwelinye ground sasingajimela extension 2 lapha ngasesontweni I think kunesonto la ngaze la sewisile or in la hlala khona uTsepang somewhere lapha ground
ngiyalibona
angathi kunesonto something manje la uyangithola moya ikasi lapha umzisi
la ekhonini la isonto sekune crash ngiyabona
lapha sasijimela la kunesonto ngapha la opposite na sasijimela la kuta Ace. I liked it lapha kuta Ace. It was nice.
Ngithi uhlala la ekhonini.
Wayenga coach as such, but I liked the way wayendlulisa ngakhona information. Why shout? I had no problem with that. Emakhaya uraselwa for yonke into ukuthi inkomo zingekho uyangithola so ukuthi angarasela ngegroundini it was not interesting. So ngaqala la kuta Ace. Ngadlala kuta Ace. I enjoyed lapha kuta Ace. I can't remember ukuthi wayengidlalisa ku, but I think emuva or right wing something like that, but I enjoyed kuta Ace. So Bluebirds lo coach of Bluebirds wavula team besisonke kuta Ace. Wavula team yakhe wahamba nathi. I remember it was me, Umapitsi, Usem. I remember those 3 guys wahamba nathi. Wavula team yakhe. Sadlala kule team yakhe saba mnandi. Ucoach kwawathola ukuthi umjito lazipho. Manje saqala sekuba nama tactics manje. Ile nto engifuna sekuba nama tactics manje passing in ukuthi modlale right wing, what's your job? What is it that is expected kuwe manje? So ngaqala ngala understand it. All right. Manje sengideveloper manje i-understanding yebhola laselokishini. Uyangithola. From there ngisasebuhlebuzile by then. From there on.
How old are you ngaleso sikhathi?
I can't remember. I think around 14.
Ushowenza grade 8.
Ngaqala. So okay sharp. Sengimnandi ke manje sengiyaunderstand ilokishi. I'm settled manje
elokishini soyaziwa nyani.
Okay sharp. Sinokudlala ama tournament extension 2 sengithola ama team manje angirecruit. So ku Mountain Rovers like manje ngabona like maybe masengiyekelile. But you know what? Oh okay. Some players maybe they were
privileged.
So what I'm saying is it was never about Timad. And I don't even remember one time.
So meaning when a player telling you we were told amatala side via coaching system. I'm a contractor of maybe
that was and another for me it was just to turn. I was just playing ball for turn. I never even got a court. You know, maybe Mabeti kumeli final. Mina if swing like saying or semi-final, so the final later. Mina na match tawasekazi. I promise you bonke abo advocate abomsiza will talk size ekasi sigawule go back for a final. But amachita esasidlala now. I'm sure even though sure ukuthi sure they were getting money, but showcase babezidlela imali yeClub, but not in a bad way. Babezidlela ngendlela egreat. But mina namachita wami la ngina we never. Mina all my playing career, I think it was later on where I got money out of ukudlala ibhola. But during that time lapho Mountain Rovers I never got even a cent.
But I don't think ukuthi imali beyingaleyo ngaka bengekho kangako njengamanje because of before vele imali beyincane. It was enjoy football because of that time mawuthi checking ibhola lamanje nebhola lakudala. It's more different. There's a huge difference. Abantu manje sesifocus ukuthini hayi ma social media imali nanani, but nina kudala beniyenza ngothando, hence nisho nithi masihleli maybe ground sihleli namahotman bodlala kudala hayi nebafana ba science into besiyenza thina, and every time it's consistently by issue thina hayi back then.
So I think you let a big player
I created a laptop because manje yabona makusekune nyuku obvious no big players in kuzo create
nemihola ayifani nama-contract awafani.
But I don't regret lezo because really it was never about
imali. Yeah, it was you.
Mina nje ukungena egroundini and there ukungena egroundini, make no mistake, I left no stones unturned lapho. I made sure ukuthi I played my best so that makuphela game if sidliwe angikhala ukuthi I could have I'm happy about that
because that's what you uhlezi uyisho my coach after game like awuthanda abantu ababalisayo want to spirit is coming, we go to the next game of future so change solungisa Tuesday.
It's okay.
So manje uqale kanjani ku-African Stars? Where did they see
story se-African se-Amazozo ku-African All Stars? I was not a coach. I was not even an assistant coach.
Yeah.
You know, kula emsebenzini, it's more like emsebenzini uyangena as a cleaner, for example.
Yeah.
But you end up, let's say, as a teacher. Or it happens ukuthi you uphelele lapha as a cleaner there.
Yeah.
But you tell ukuthi manje sponsor lapha sonke yasazi.
Yeah.
Or we are influenced, for example, Kaizer Chiefs, there's a guy man is tough nje.
Yeah,
I don't even know
personal trainer khona.
Not that one khona abantu umuzi, not yet. Khona umunye uthanda ukushaya ingoma.
Yeah, look push that speed.
And ngalesa sikhathi lockdown bekathanda ukuvela lapha ahlele e1 standing. Akusini nix la. But that guy, you can see how close nama player
Yeah.
So I was more like that. I was a driver of African All Stars.
Yeah.
Uyangithola but ucoach owalapha by that time, coach uFather Chris.
Yeah.
Knew ukuthi mina ngine team elokushini.
Yeah.
Knew ukuthi I'm a coach.
Yeah.
And wangitshela ukuthi bheka sondela la ngokusondezela ukuthi uzofunda la.
Okay.
Ngisondezela ukuthi uzofunda. And you know ukungisondeza kwakhe la I ended up having this.
Okay, cool.
This is my coaching certificate, my coaching license. Uyangithola. Ngayenza while I was at African All Stars. Uyangithola. So yeah, I was
before that siyisale wena after football because of you a player coach, I believe.
Yeah.
Uthi uqala kanjani team, how do you see yazini bafethu ngiyadlala sharp ngiyalithanda ibhola but I see ukuthi ningayenza change. I think thathi intwana nyana ngiyenze. Uyiqaliswa yini lento leyo to you?
Leyo, you know, bengihlala ePolar Park, like I said, we were few ePolar Park abadlala extension 2. And extension 2 in my time was very big.
No,
and now ngidlalela Mountain Rovers. Look, that was any team ePolar Park, they will die to go extension 2 and watch Mountain Rovers. So it was me, Umsiza, like I said, Nabo Maras. And then Umsiza made it before us, the first team.
Yeah.
And he played very well. But along the way, Umsiza wanyamalala. I think wanyamalala via football. I don't know what happened. I can't recall, man. So mina, kwaba yimi umuntu ogcina sala lapha. And now, like Kaslam Polar Park, I was a big player.
Station 2,
so now, we created a big fan base at Polar Park and supporter I out as a Polar Park. So among the extension 2. They are not there for Mountain Rovers. But they were just there for me. We understand. They will die for me. So no matter we have time, they are there with Mafunu Kulumana.
Yeah.
We are told, and again, Mina, I'm that person who I just liked that one. I promise you, those boys, each and every one of them, with this one, abanye up to a point ukuthi ngazi namagama wabo. So what happened ke ngalesa sikhathi so ukuthi ngidlala ku Mountain Rovers decide ukuthi you know what, these boys aseKaslam sacrifice isikhathi sazo ukuthi zize ngomama and ngizibona iKasi mangijimini zidlalela nje stradini and ngiyimi ngibheka ukuthi amani ziyalazi ibhola. So abo Siyanda uSly was one of them.
Yeah.
Abo General. Yeah. So ngabona ukuthi le ntwana lezi okay ziyalazi mos le bhola. Okay, you know what? It is buzi ukuthi asifuna ukujima asifuna nangizijimisa. And there's aba interested siyafuna ngathi asicaleni ke. I think saqala ePolar Park lapha egroundini siboma 5. Uyangithola? But surprise the next day it was full house.
Yeah.
So that's how I started. Ngasiqala nje mina ngitshela intwana kuma 1 2 ayozani ngimjimisa. So the first day it was attendance was bad. Ngiphethe nje ibhola eli1. I think that Mountain Rovers. But the next day, it was and another thing, le ntwana lezi zathola ichance ukungibona because while I was playing for Mountain Robbers ePolar Park bavusa i-team abethi izinyoka uyangithola so izinyoka mangingadlali ku-Mountain Robbers in fact ku-Mountain Robbers when I started babe ngangadlali kakhulu but laba basePolar Park bengicava ukuthi hey le imnandi so mangisebhenchini ku-Mountain Robbers uthola ukuthi kune-tournament ePolar Park ngiyahamba after game ngigijimela kuphi ePolar Park and leza sePolar Park ama-big players wasePolar Park so ePolar Park makune-tournament guaranteed kwi-final so most of the time ngangidlala ama-final uyangithola mangifika ngidlala abajita abagrandi so yaba more abajita manje laba bejwayele ukungisupport sebangibona manje ngidlala kuphi eKaslabo so uthando lwaba more ukuthi hey Tuski ukhona so nale influence ukuthi you know what let me start i-development ePolar Park so i-team engayiqala nge-development only ngabafake eligini uyangithola badlala league bayi-enjoy I think most of them laba engaqala nabo they will tell you from there on they never look back and we pushed that thing for a very long time uyangithola sidlala league sidlala ama-tournament up until ke to a stage lapho izinyoka zaphela so ngaziphela izinyoka that's when manje the real issues yaqala khona because manje labajiti bedlala kwizinyoka mabeyeka mina nama juniors so lama juniors mangiwakhulisa ngizowakhulisa adlale kuphi ngabona ukuthi you know what let me get ilento manje i-first team but the first team it must be for ama tournament
so wena i-issues uyiqala nabo bani basically because of I don't think lo wayiqala uyi-one
okay leso story manje se-issues ukuthi issues ngiqale nabo bani kanjani sizokusurprise mangizoqala i-issues i-chapter ye-Mountain Robbers seyivaliwe I've played Mountain Robbers sidlala i-league promotion league I think was what's called SAB man
SAB
so sadlala lapho sayiceda lapho ngayekela I don't know can't remember even though whatever happened in Mountain Robbers in fact let me close that chapter in Mountain Robbers in this way the Mountain Robbers I left them I think we were playing the Easter tournament I think singasadlali i-league sasidlala ama-tournament so there was Easter tournament where now ngasengishisa ke lapho nami I could feel ukuthi you know what I'm
going forward
so what happened uNtsiki uNyawuza came with uRoger Majaga they were playing bonke kwi-Platinum Stars so mabeza now uTaspek the coach uTaspek is one person owayenza ukuthi ngihlale for too long Mountain Robbers I believed kimi kakhulu like lo yamadala kwaku
and he still does because of yakubizwa ukuthi uzongisiza makwenzeka things
uyangithola but by that time I believe more I think uyu umuntu wayibona i-potential kimi so now in that tournament Easter tournament Taspek wahamba ekhaya Petersburg amajita la ama-senior players they took over Unsiki uzenonyawo uzeno Roger Majaga ama-professional players both I'm playing right back Unsiki is a right back make no mistake at any given day at that time there was no way Unsiki ebekangangibeke ebhenchini he was playing for Platinum Stars but bekangeke asenze isikhathi so on that day ngabekwe ebhenchini and we were playing against the team yabo Figo abolinda Mtambo eSoweto so ngabekwe ebhenchini I never liked that one yokubekwe ebhenchini on that day nge-Easter tournament I think I had a hairstyle Easter tournament ngidayile or something so now mangisebhenchini can you imagine manje the hairstyle kumele ngikhiphe ikepisi ngilong round ama-fans awutholanga ungibona ngisegroundini ngishaya ngarayilingo so i-chapter yami e-Mountain Robbers yaphela in a bad way
yazangipheli kamnandi
because ngagcina ngiyekela from there sengijoyina i-team yami esePolar Park so now ukuza ke manje ukuvula kwami issues sengidlala ePolar Park so i-team angangidlala ePolar Park izinyoka obvious sengishilo yaphela so mayiphela kwavele isesifikile isesifikile yadlala i-league e-Eden Park bangidonsa ngabadlalela so along the way mangibadlalela sengibadlalela nje sengibuhrotinyana manje I think sengiyasebenza so ifocus ayisekho kakhulu ediskini elaselokishini so mangibadlalela isesifikile badlala league and they are not strong at that time ba weak to be honest because ama-player nje wala elokishini akusiyiwona lama-player ayedlala kwezinyoka I think there was only one player owayedlala kusesifika kwakugazini from kwisquad sabo gazini so manje mina ngaba ne-proposal kusikhulu esesifikile we close ngaleso sikhathi ngathi ku Eman School na Easter tournament extension 2 isesifikile izongena ngine proposal ngicela ukwenza isquad mina ngizolanda bonke abajita laba bedlala kwinyongo ngoba ngiyabacaba benginabo
bonabo
so bazongena ngizoba coach athi school okay sharp asiye we soon nje after school melele waba ne top 8 extension 2 ngathi mina okay I'm joining le top 8 imali ye top 8 yaphuma ku school isesifikile uyangithola ngihlanganisa ama gents saya sayodlala ipik ayikho iningi ayikaqali kakhulu nangaleso sikhathi over bonke amajita abo Viera abo Skidi abo Xona saya sayibona tournament uyangithola top 8 hayibo sesibuya nemali school na inyuke akade ayiyekele uyangithola bambe kanjalo sesilungisela I think it's a week before Easter tournament adivayo affiliate thatha lenyunyu affiliate tournament zajika izinto ke manje kusi squad akunagama akunanisi I'm still a one man
man sure
maseng affiliate ezajika izinto labajita bebala angisho bengidlala la but ngidlale league mina sengikhrotinyana ngisadlala indaba zama tournament so lamajita laba abala abekho happy bafuna ukudlala kule squad engizenayo because basibonile angisho
uthi swini tournament last week
and masidonse ugazini odlala ngabo so bacabanga ukuthi maybe somdonsa naye ngoba I think ithemba labo so nabo basifuna la and mina angibelieve ukuthi bona banga add any value kule squad because basise intwana sharp ezafikayo uyangithola so la ipressure is standard lesiya bagrand bazokhona ukucompete so from there manje masisi affiliate lamajita ejimini mangisejimini hey man sengithola iattitude treatment esengithola isekumnandi man kwenze njani manje kulabajita bama I remember one of the games sidlala Eden Park league I walk out literally I took out the jersey I gave it to the coach ngashintsha ngahamba that was the end and mind you the chairman ukhiphe imali ukuthi siyodlala extension 2 and mina ngapha sengihlashe
neteam ngapha so akusekho mnandi vele
so kusho ukuthi sekuba nenkinga la that's when uqala the division between mina neSSV on that day uyangithola ngayekela fine ngavaya sengaffiliate but when affiliate sengale mali top 8 but I short so kwamele ukuthi ngihustle
imali igcwalisele lapha
that's when ke manje ngahlala phansi ngiyi-one ngathi okay you know what manje it's no longer a squad manje siyodlala manje sengineclub manje ekumele ngiyodlala ngayo so umjita ke ngabona ukuthi okay yazini mangibheke ukuthi ngathola bani ngacabanga ukuthi okay kwizinyoka konje benginobani bekunobani kwizinyoka who are the people baberana izinyoka ngacabanga ukuthi okay there was utaweja la sihlala sonke ekhaya siyacabana besidlala sonke nakuMantshoni Robert sidlalile sonke nasemakhaya sibuya sonke ngathi you know what ithi ngapproach umjita ukuthi asibuyele eDiskini ngamlanda taweja siye night team wathi kuphi la asiye ngathuma yena fethu kuwe ke uzosuranela izinto zamadosi nani
kuya wena ngiveli
ngifuna ukuvela ngibalekela ini attention izoba too much kimi uyangithola cash up ayitaweja makabuye etosini okay uye ku meeting yokuqala
akakabi
first meeting abuye athi mfethu basibuza igama lapha mina ngithe no name kanti sithini sithi yini igama abuye athi yena igama le Ashes never came nami athi na man khona le story lesi esidlala SABC 1 bathi Ashes to Ashes hayi man asithi Ashes to uyangithola so makasho lento le ngingamphenduli ngihambe ngiyozicabanga final say kumele iphume kimi ukuthi ngiyasibhala story or no
siya move
it okay hayi ngingamphenduli
mlothi
angimiyekele angivaye ngigile amaruthini lo muntu Ashes to Ashes what yini Ashes to Ashes is story okay sure all right maybe la we are creating a story sasekhasi so you know what maybe all right let's create this story less kuzoba story sinama episode uyangithola maybe alright asiyenze episode yethu yokuqala
sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani part 1
so manje
njengoba kuno part 1
that's why ngagcina ngisipy story sokuthi ashes to ashes kuzoba no part 1 part 2 kanjalo and I don't think why in a bigger picture yokuthi why the gama
walisho nje kodwa pistori asithanda
by that time maybe kasithanda kwaba ashes to ashes kanjalo we went extension 2 first Easter tournament hayibo first Easter tournament uyangizwa
ngiyakhumbula
ngiphetha abo Vieira ngiphetha amajita wasekhasi hayibo abomgalo
ngiyakhumbula
sayidlala first game if ngiremember kahle lapho kuleyo Easter tournament ngabo sawina I think sasithola nje team encane if ngiright ngikhumbula kahle or I might be wrong or the first game yethu umgabe came to me athi kimi hey coach nempintshi zami ngicabanga ukuza nazo angakabi nawo umqondo
wokubhika kulanda amaplayer ngaphandle
umgabe
bekadlala
bayidlala kuFaroukkan athi hey man namajita bami ngifuna ukuza nabo all right ababize ngamagama athi abombhoro remember nami at that time ngiphume ground so ngaza ama big players abojwaha aboSkarango bese abogayana so mangazongitshela ngintwana eshisayo at their age maybe ngiyazi athi mana abombhoro omazi umbhoro ishigama ngiyalaza ngimazi I don't know lie angimazi le umbhoro yathi akhule ngizuza nabo I never fetched them next by that time nginekara bathi akhuleka ngizoza nami ngithi alright sure man ngiyafika ke manje sesiyafika egroundini athi anawo lama player khona umbhoro ukabelo usandile
ngiyakhumbula ngiyakhumbula tournament le nginaso nesithombe sakho
that was our first tournament
nginaso nesithombe sakho
manje kubani ke labantu uzwakala yini and then ama position angitshela ama position ngibafaka lo mbhoro lo ngiyizwe makudlala man uyathandwa lo muntu masibamba ibhola abantu bayakhala ngalo muntu but senginothise something umfowethu uphuzile orakalalanga lo yaphuza izona hayi angiboni ukuthi unginikeza lento le engifuna iseke enough you not or 1-1 ne team engifila ukuthi without even bona kumele siyidle le uyangithola kumele noma kanje kumele siyidle le club le ngibiza utaweja emfethu siyam substitute umfu ahlangana athi no sharp when I got to learn ke issues ukuthi noma ngingaba ne assistant coach when it comes to ama decision
making uwemeli wathatha
noma kanjani and noma ngisubstitute you know by that time thola ukuthi akuna noma kuno linesman linesman uthi Mr Ref sa wena coach kumele umemeze lo muntu omfunayo woza angamemeze sibali mporo woza yahlanya crowd I mean remember this is my first time coaching
a big
tournament so manje ngikhipha umporo engingamazi fandi wami abalandeli sebazalanga ngimwenzani manje you know what makaphuma a quick story ngayo lo sapho what makaphuma waza kimi straight athi kimi wenzani manje uyangazi mina ngoba
usifiso ke lo
I was like and then but I'm blessed with the attitude grand man as umuntu I don't react unnecessarily azange ngiphendule but it's something nje yang surprise azange athi makaqeda ukungibuza lento angibuza yona ahamba ekareni oshintshe wahlala la what angapheli a minute ehleli phansi I think wesaphuza amanzi the same player engiyifakile emreplaceile yashayinete sawina ngegoli yakabongani lo engimfakele still again yathi game engakapheli waphakama waza ke mathi mfethu ngexolisa ungilande nawe ngingalalanga abangitshela ngumgaba ukuthi i-team yakhe iyadlala sasa ngikhona ngizobe ngisuka ngicela ungilande endlini if first tournament a big yami ne-Ashes we went all the way to semi-final I don't want to leave you nje ngale tournament ngale Easter tournament yamaqala half ngifuna uyiqeda so siwinile manje I think we're going to be semi-final man yimi Ashes snake is a snake sesifikile team yasa ronda belt yabo makola
ngiyazikhumbula lezi
ukuthi babezibiza ngani 4
yeah Mexico yeah
Manje Mr. Kwelubu, bekunjani Pula Park, like intention benjani? Having sesifikile and Ashes playing the same tonight.
By that tournament, remember mina abantu bayangazi. Isesifikile by that time ayina
supporter.
Isase
because of your blow up ngithanda ukuqala.
Da, yo. Abalandeli must have time skindela Cabo Steaks. I don't know, it was not Cabo Steaks lapha econtinent njengasemafletini in a shelter lapha. A shelter lapha skindela yo. Must have time into lapha. Okay sharp. Sesikuyi semi final mase 4 la team engicede kwabala. Mina noMevula, coach Snake uMevula. Siyacavana. Ngiyamthola besidlala sonke. Siyazi ithi sazana. Kula ngafunda khona ke ukuthi bebhola ngithi kuMevula sikise semi final manje. So it's true. Mina nawe asidlali asidonsana. We draw. We must make it happen with mina nawe
asitusa.
Let's close the show. Asivalele abantu manje.
Kumnandi
asivumelana athi uMevula hayi lapho kwaphethe snack quality
ufiliti umatiti mayoyo wazine peak
athi ufuna yiphi ubuza mina mind you manje Mexico that year
beshisa kakhulu
yayivala iground nge-dribbling and mina anginalo i-dribbling ngabanayo that's my story lo mbhoro ayisengibonile ukuthi untswembu akusumuntu esengiphile nayo so amathemba wami ngeke ngiwabeke what if akekho so manje if ngadonsa eMexico ngifila ngathi vele ground ngizokhona ukuyidlala but i-crowd izongidonsela i-crowd yonke ngithi kuye uMevula thatha eMexico ngithathe sesifikile ngithi kuye isesifikile 9 o'clock wena uzothathile asikakayi itos
seseyicocela nithi entosile already
sizoyenza le
niyenza
kanjani ngifuna ukwazi le kanjani ungastori
extension 2 so manje extension 2 ngizoyenza izinto zenzeke ngiyamthola azokhuluma no-organize organize na into nali bhodo sicela ukulicontrol sacontrol
kwata
Ashes versus sesifikile first semi final Mexico versus Snake ngathi ngenze mistake ngathi kwaqala iSnake but Snake versus
Mexico
baqala bona uMevula wabaqeda fast ngathi boma 3 4 not ikuseni wabuya waza kimi wathi qeda ke ndoda ngokumele ke ngo3 athi kimi secula inkosi sikelela phela manje ngo3 kuphi nami nje confidence ukuthi lawa ngifuna ubagaya 4 manje that's when tension yaqala ke manje not really kuma fans
mara kuwe nisesifikile management yakho
mind you manje mina bengikwisesifikile ngisho and uGazini
udlala ngapha
remember that was the only player kwisesifikile mangivusa squad and emathoneni besidlala nayo wafasisa ukudlala kusesifikile ukimi is the captain is wearing number
Pesi baba mhlaba wonke
so manje I feel ukuthi it's more like sesifikile ipressure kuye azange ngibone any tension engathi facewa kuye ngabona izinto zonke ezibhekwe kimi ukuthi manje sesifikile versus Tuske from yaqala lapho nje tension it was never too bad but it was not nice
but it was personal
it was
obviously
very
football is personal
so all right sharp ngizoyiface sesifikile vele ngizicelele mina if you remember yimi ngizidonsele ukuthi ngikaye la than eMexico yes I think we scored first 1-0 I can't remember very well but we were leading Mayopeli game 2-1 bosandile bakhona right usandile yena right uGazini and uGazini wakora yena bombhoro umzaiza ukabelo another one engeke nimkhumbule uJomo lo
mfishane
adlalise ngangidlala nge3 emuva uJomo abantu bambona lapha abala ithokoza nginoJomo Slida 2-1 igame iphelile manje ibhola maliphumela ngaphandle game over sicedile and angisakhuluma ngale game mina sengicabangela ifinal manje yo a penalty from nowhere it's always sesifikile penalty
shidisebenze epokotweni
by that time game mina as much as ngithi science itos in terms of ukuthi kuthenga abo Rev, my mind was never there.
Yeah.
I'm not saying they bought Rev, but yo, hayibo penalty.
Kuningi.
Hayibo. And uJomo le player lesisifikile uJomo wakhathela ibhola. Mayimaceda ukhathela ibhola, yafika yafaka inyawo kuJomo so.
Ngaphansi.
Walima ngaphezulu. UJomo ukhathelile yafika. Uyangithola? Walimala uJomo. Yawa nale player. Selikhathelile ibhola like I follow up kaJomo. Selikhathelile hamba. Le player la afika la late afika la khathelile uJomo. Bathola penalty.
Good. Yeah.
Nathi masenzithole ngisiyenza.
So asikhulume lesigqoko manje uthi ke manje udonsa nina lapha. Nibona kanjani ukuthi nina antonsani kanjani lapha because of I think amaphepha amela fine.
Okay. All right, sure. Asi repeat.
Si repeat.
Le tos ngoba yimi ngishilo ukuthi sayilungisa noma evuka. You know what happened? Even manje mina I can tell you even professional by itos bayayiphe. So sayipheka itos. A friend of mine while we executive Easter tournament.
Yeah.
So sabridge endod asikwazi ukuhlangana nalo. Wathi okay sharp. Kanye nesikhathiyana ngizobuyela kini. Wayenza amaphepha. Wasitshela ukuthi hayi mina ke yimi ngenza igqoko. So lalelani ke lamaphepha njengoba ayi4. Ayisho ama team ayisele ayi4. So each team ilethe representative. Iyenza igqoko. Uyangithola we were sigqokweni.
Yeah.
Literally njengoba bathi sigqokweni. So amaphepha azofaka lapha esigqokweni ayi4. 1 2 3 4.
Yeah.
So modonto 1 obviously udlala no2 and we face game.
Yeah.
So athi umjita remember bekuya utaweja kwindaba zamados.
Yeah.
So manje ifuna mina manje.
Na phela manje.
Yeah. Idos. So ngiye asithinta umjita noma evula athi okay bhekani ke. Amaphepha wenu lapha esigqokweni. Mawufaka isandla wezwe lamaphepha ezingathi uyashake. Azoba khroti. La akhroti ngithatha wona. Uthatha elakho ngizocala ngibize wena mavula. Uthatha iphepha elikhulu. Tuesday mawufika lapho uyashake uthatha
elincane. Elikhulu nawe
imakhulu u1 no 3.
Yeah.
1 no 3 so u1 no 3 ngeke badlala. Phela u1 udlala no 2, u3 udlala no 4. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
So manje how do we now identify ukuthi laba uzodlala nesesifikile I don't know ukuthi how did he make sure ukuthi mina nesesifikile asihlangana mina ne Mexico because it was a must ukuthi mangihlangana nesesifikile it was a must ukuthi makahlangane
ne
Mexico
maybe decided
I think somewhere lapho I can't really remember what happened ukuthi shosho ngithole sesifikile but le yamaphepha amakhulu sayenza kanjalo even ku proside I still believe ukuthi njengoba badonsa lapha kunalama
icon into yaziwa
maybe bayazi le cheese or le palette they heavy
no that's why they separate
yebo
ilokhu yaba separate even nami during mangenza ama tournament ePola Park you will find mina udla ukuthola first round Ashes versus Greenfield it happened once since the tournament
the time we playing Easter
ground 2 sadlala ne Greenfield
first game
lapha mangenza itos ngangiletha bosisi beyiba abadrawayo but sangangibafaka isigela before ukuthi nizoyenza so one lady la I think between uzane uanele nozinhle made a mistake kwakumele angathathi kwakumele masidonsa sidonsa amaphepha amancane wonke angisho sidonsa 1 up to 8 sibuyise sidonsa ama opponent so yena wathi while sibhizi ngamaphepha amancane lamshaya elincane wadonsa inkulu avela by Ashes versus Greenfield so itos besihlala senza kanjalo all the way I believe namanje noma ungayi Cambridge it's rare ukuthi wathola ama team ama big teams alento adonsana ke because itos are everywhere
I see le part layers because of there's a lot you should share
sure.
So leya ngiyazi baby izowaphlungu naku you once developed the player in which is ulindo kuhle Dunga Nxabi so ushile na emhlabeni may his soul rest in peace so how did it affect you because of it affected you so much because of you were the one from ikhuleni kwakhe wambheka umenzela yonke into and this is it's painful kuwe because of even yonke into yakhe beyenzeka I guess benziwa from nakubo
that one yomfana yangishaya I've never been attend a funeral player angakazi but on that one ukushonelwa no night player under mina it has never happened even after yena zanga untwana yo even today I'm still very close in the family yakubo where even more like ifamily manje untwana yangikhawatha up to a point ukuthi yo it was very bad because ngambona asasisibhedlele yonke lonto leyo yangishaya because if you remember makashona sengibuyisele it first team full time. I remember one tournament ePola Park ngilande abo 50 abo matikiti he was there and if you right amnikeza iumbrella and le abo 50 wangitshela wathi I remember u50 ke when it comes to opinion ungamthathi kancane ukhuluma you understand the game wathi kimi yabona this boy ungayiyekeli iyafair le only ngazi ukuthi I think that tournament wayidlala it was around October or September kanti last tournament yakhe and sayewina le tournament sayewina that tournament I can't remember sasidla ini ki final ngiphethe nabo khakha basezonke uyangithola nabo Ginja wadlala la tournament kwe tournament yakhe yokugcina ngithola so akusi mfethu yangiphatha blind but yeah you know life things happen
manje Mr. like go coaching yakho from part 1 until part 4 I think you've fallen out kuma player apart. How does this affect you?
Yeah, that's another.
And the footy, do you think ukuthi man is the influence here yolento le footy?
Yeah, for sure. Amajita engahlukana now. It was based on inyuku. It's unfortunate ukuthi ngahlukana namajita engang very close now. I don't think I can khuluma ngayo indaba engaso.
Yeah.
I'll mention only two. Ukrim, Notab. Only those two. Amagents ngahlangana nabo, we become brothers, if I may put it that way. Ukrim ngahlangana naye period la umjita izinto bezingekho grand via football wise yakhe.
We are from Cape Town.
Yeah, I think it's after Cape Town All Stars.
Yeah.
We have the Cape Town All Stars. Our coach Temba Padela, assistant coach Coach Roland manje.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it was easier for you to take some of the players.
That's why manje ngagcina ngibane understand ngazana nabo. Abo ngabaza coach Padela, coach Temba nabo coach Roland through abo Temba.
Yeah.
Go create. So into enzakala abo uThemba ngamthola by ngaleso sikhathi umjita saphusha manje angitshela ukuthi mfethu engiyagive up edisk
ngiyaliye
so ngiyaliye ngamkhuthaza ngathi abantwana buyele edisk ozosijima ngizokujimisa ngizomana ukukhambisa la ufuna ukuyakhona ngekari ngizomana ugayikara because une license manje uzelijimisa
yeah
we become close nomjita yo we are more like brothers where you will come give me ngazilanga nix spend isikhathi siplomile uyangithola xoxa ngelive sixoxa ngedisk uyangithola so manje kuye it was more like manje wabuyela back to a game I think wasayina before iSwallows khona iMaccabi Haifa I think
yeah, Maccabi
wasayina neMaccabi waba grand umjito dlala NFT still we were good I think manje I remember ebhaye ikari khona ikari wayibhaya not abantu I don't even think khona umuntu wayibona ikari yakhe iRanex ebhaye edlala la yonke lezo zinto sizikhuluma sonke man kunekari ngifuna ukuyibhaya in we were very close no Cream
yeah
but ke inyuku I think yaba issue because wagcina sekodla access fikile
how did that affect you? Because
yeah.
most of your players
access fikile mina ezinye izinto noma bezingishaya ngaphakathi but these things bengafuni nje nokuzikhuluma ukuthi ngifila kanjani ngale situation but deep down ngangazi ukuthi yena uyazi ukuthi ngifila kanjani because wayazi ukuthi relationship between mina nesifika ayikho great so manje the meantime asuka and the situation yakhe was very difficult because by that time angidlalela ngangagcina ngixabana nabomzayisa and the part of ukuthi ngixabana nabomzayisa it was him because apparently wajola no sister ka Thapelo and Thapelo kuyimpintshi yabomzayisa uyangithola so bona bafila ukuthi and usister ka Thapelo kwangumntana omncane khabo Thapelo so bafila ukuthi maybe mina
no influence bhala
kulento le while next uyangithola so ngagcina abajita ungasazwana even though kwaba grand nomzayisa bese ba grand but umjita lo wakhabocheri up until today. But it was true because of who? Because of the situation that so young affected blindly. Up until today, I don't we never spoke no. Which is maybe because it was important, even though it was way personal. Because as the song Utabo again. So it was about money when I look at it. Utabo again. Utabo, it was a little bit different. It was money, but it was not a matter of what team promise in you. It was a stories that happened with Ruby. Remember, I coached Ruby. I coach about Pro Lab. So there we start tournament. We must start that tournament.
No, the last one,
And I think you was there. Because I am a teacher. So what happened there, just to cut it short, because I'm going to dwell too much with the story, I'm going to Kuluma and let it go. Umjita there, Lapa, we went 50-50 no Mamrupi in that tournament. But we played without affiliating because getting a Kamala Rupi. And we trusted ourselves with Zoe. And that's just to do and went and played there. So all the players that's come on Swahili. So we played La Pasawini tournament. The main prize was 50,000. But we ended up in Shawami. Singa with 50,000. Sebati 30,000. And I felt to Tabo was part of it. Because before that, where's the modern Nkabanguti Iman, Singa Vision Kibachiti. And there's one thing I hate when it comes to you. As I approve it as a story. So we should get on approve. So that was the one thing ends with me and I'm not Sazwan. From that time, it was because of that story. I think why you that because this is not so so that's what happened much it was because of that.
And then the thing who you took it was like because I could see while I was playing now.
Again, the stories about Temba nabo Tam. Esaka France way different. France I took him to Coach Roland. Coach Roland we ngafuna ukuzwa nix ngo France. Remember ngisho bengijwayele ukuhamba nabo cream. So we Coach Roland. France babemnika imali every day ukuthi abuye ku training. I promise you, France ngibuku professional level manje. France it's one person owazeke. Remember, Coach Temba, the coach of Captain All Stars. Coach Temba, MTC, with Sundowns, the coach here. That time, the gang of France was like Coach Temba, Sundowns. Check a man to Coach Temba. France, Nangia every day. Nanga no mama, good. Please, France, can be some one. Imagine young Spanish shift. France in Hambis. Namanyamala. If you put it, send show is Catholic Spanish. Ngamamisang France.
How?
Weekends France a guy. That was one player second to that I really gave my best to. This one must go to professional. France was by this. I remember marking it. I will drive a Mercedes Benz one day. But again, it's by Leo. So by France. That's how I trusted him. I'm sure you remember France. By that time, if you remember, there was a game inside the Polar Park. Aston Villa, Professor Abu Kalao. Something 1-1 game. Why ask France how do we do it? No man funa so this card manje no man funa kwenzakala noyazi. I remember that thing I'm substitute so my penalty. Why ask ukuthi ngomkhipha manje? Wengeka kwati. So that one I feel bad because he had a lot of
to achieve with football.
Ukuthi angavaya abe someone big in this skin lasikazi. But ezinye izinto I think I was born wena. Ukuthi what can you offer? But I just believed to France wise oya abe a very big player.
To be honest, I feel like you did a lot too. I'm a player because I remember the time you called us for the first time a test.
Yeah.
I remember we got there and then we saw like big players, I can say big players. But still you managed to do like this. It shows good you have
Plan.
You had a
Vision.
plan for our intwana encane.
Uyabona lapho it's just that wena mfethu something onayo ngaphakathi enhliziyweni kunzima ukuyisharela everyone to see or umbhayisela.
Yeah.
By that time the bigger picture was ukuthi ngifuna ukuba ne ashes intwana zalocal.
Yeah.
I remember I had to Beja, I had to Simpiwe, I had Ungungu, I had to
Sly.
I brought back Uskapi. Remember we had a lot of hype.
Yeah.
Ambuisa back. Uyangithola is one of the people who lost a patient. You would sometimes and bangembeke benchini, who was playing? I had Pogba on the tournament.
Totally squatted.
Now he's playing for Black Leopards. How would you cry uthi ngidlalisa umuntu manje odlala wa national team
yaseSotho?
I had Vieira. Uyangithola. So Uskapi was more like a third choice. But I managed to ukunikeza ama 10 minutes. Uyangithola because I believed ngifuna ukuba future yami laba bafana la. Uyangithola. A little bit of believe kula my youngsters, I promise you. And remember, Usimpiwe played almost, I would say he was playing full time.
Yeah,
because when he was not playing, it was more like a tactical now. Maybe it's a Greenfield, it's in Galisu Kinja because he can handle Greenfield. Yeah. But in terms of any game he will play, Udunga will play any game. Yes, Uskapi, it was more Guti and like I said, I'm a player who had a position here. They were just ahead of here.
Yeah.
But yeah,
football is football. Okay, it's a privilege which is uzile lana. And I would like to ask you before Siva routine. How was it routine? As udlale namatime wami.
Sure.
Dlale time lami, dlale no malumo wami.
Sure.
Then wacoacha nami. How was it like mawuyibheka yonke lento le?
Ingichaza ngokuthi unokuzima bethu amalanga wafana. It's like uma ufunda a novel or a novel, let me say a novel. A first page the last page ngeke zifana.
Yeah.
Play for me ngidlala nomadalako. It was totally different experience mang coach away. I mean ubabako was that guy it's a story for another day. That guy was there we bowler with the background in vele we must have fun. He brought that fun element ground. We love the whole day, but what I liked, we mustn't get a grounding. You will even forget what you baba lo besi ile out there besi joke masingaphandle. You understand? Off the field we'll have fun. After the game we'll have fun. During the game, umuntu serious kanjani. And he was a goalkeeper, and you can imagine I was playing a move as a defender. We were very close because manje we had to communicate more. And now coming to you as a player, I mean, now I have experienced Yoguti, I was playing. Now I'm a coach. It's totally different. By that time, when you look at it, why not a hard game? You don't know what I'm not really hard. Maybe yes, I'm hard because I can see you can do something better than what you are doing. So that was two different experiences. Coach away.
So you did a lot for Ikaslao. You had a development team.
Sure.
It was well structured, I can say.
Sure.
But you stopped. Do you still feel like you can go back and then turn the pants, or you just fell out in the disc?
No, I'm back at the skin. I'm back. We're playing a tournament, I think, manje, 8 is a match. And Easters we are playing, and I can confirm, I think we'll play Musa Dlala Easter tournament. I don't think we'll play Extension 2, I think we'll play Somthol. We're playing this year. And to answer your question, just straightforward, I still believe I will prepare get this game. Even I've tried to put in the development again. Saying it's for nearly let's have a meeting, and Friday we're having a first meeting, which is tomorrow. Now under 15. So I'm back at this game. Even though in be full time thing, because man muntu phela sekana ma responsibility.
It's a money, but
I'm back. I'm back at it. Nje before Sivala, it's in a very quick story. Nobody knows about this one. Do you know what? Let me say I signed the contract in Mamba to a coach in Mamba at some point.
How?
But it never happened.
But why?
kuhamba ucoach Bashin kwimambo cathi kuwina ama tournament kungene enye out there manje ekumudagasi
wenye bani Pep they call him Pep if I'm not mistaken
uloku mudagasi
umdagasi
so ngithola call mina nomambo were very close very close some tournaments ngangidlala ngibhadala lo mamba affiliation umamba if you remember la eIsrael yes eIsrael I'm not sure ngasimakaus but last spray Thokoza Foslorus first time yakhe walethwa yimi la I'm not so sure ukuthi was the Easter tournament yakhona if you remember wadlala final ne team yase Greenfield iChile Boys that was the first time ngamama aphetha bosikhwama bake badlala ne Petro badibula kakhulu kusikhwama first tournament yakhe ever la ekuruleni ngapha eThokoza nase Sprite walethwa yimi because we were very close nomama so umamba ke uyangifonela my boy ngithanda ukungifonela ebusuku my boy I need to talk to you tonight ngithi angifonela ngisendlini hey my boy I have an offer what offer manje hey my boy I've been thinking ngifuna uzongicoachela
mamba
what uthini manje ngicela ume kancane ngeAshes asimise kancane eAshes Ashes ngathi ngicela uze kumamba manje you know what I never even ngicabanga ngayi2 ngathi kuye I'm in we took about an hour to discuss now a way forward how we going to do this mamba
structure sakho sifuna
hey lo baba uthini manje hey okay sharp sizokhuluma weekend uzoza weekend so cedelela yonke into manje face to face ayina coach mama ngaleso sikhathi ungitshelile abantu I don't think bayazi ukuthi manje uxosha lo coach athi okay sharp siyayenza le hey baba after ngicela ukukhuluma naye ngithatha ifone ngenza phone call ngiyenzani manje ngihlanganisa technical staff yami uKhukza from Soweto I give him a call Endoda I want you to be the team manager imamba how ndoda kwenzakalani ngithi I'm a coach imamba manje thatha ifone ngifonela uThokozani siya kwimamba manje we need a plan baba sasina plan nalama player there was one player wangona ngiposter I badge mamba on that day same time ngathatha ibadge mamba ngayipost ngafaka emoji smile umatikiti wa comment same time wayibona wathi hey baba kwenzakalani and besikazi ukuthi ba busy ngecoach ngayidelete same time exen the next day ku announce uJokes as a coach
Morino I think that happened in football
nobody knows only mina nomama uKhukza nalabantu engaba involved umatikiti knows the day ngifake ibadge mamba azange ngimtshele ukuthi why I was officially a coach mamba so nginga coach mamba but for a few seconds then I coach from there on azange ngiphinde ngibe grand no school I was looking forward to that sengidonse in that space ngasengifonela lapha 8 players abo professor abo Sheikh Suwa lobe ngicoachile kuRuby sengibatshela ukuthi I'm here
sila manje siyasebenza
siyakhona mina uThabo ngihamba naye Cream ngihamba naye imamba I don't know what could have happened lapha but ezinye izinto bayasho ukuthi if it's meant to happen it meant if it's never meant to happen even that one imamba it was never meant to happen
tisiva leni manje esiva laba fethu I wanna send a special thank you to Madibing Funeral Services removal storage grave fee chat decoration topstone arrangements for giving us a platform uthi siyenze lento and for giving us yonke into yenzakalayo so man bafuna ngaba contact in their contact details in which is 083 603 2574 it's 083 603 2574 and namanye it's 079 163 1879 so you can contact them mangabe khona into esidingayo abaMudibeli funerals and want to send a special thank you to Mceceshi for coming and giving us all the information and sharing their story empilo yakhe in football and we glad ukuthi ubuyile futhi in football we still have to see more to you ngoze Mceceshi sayobalanda abalandeli asibonga 6